Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video, I'm going to continue the track that I did last episode, which is the Welcome to the Jungle track. And this is a techno track, so I already have the track itself built and the main loop, let's say. And what I'm going to do now is try to create a composition, or at least the first part of the composition, so that we can structure the track better and start adding or removing new elements and then see where the elements will fit together. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt or become a premium member, and you'll have access to the full video and also to the project files and a lot of exclusive sample packs. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's go and jump to FL Studio. So this is the track that I have so far. Okay, I have to switch these to FL Studio Audio, otherwise you guys cannot hear. Okay, so this is the track that I have so far. Sounds nice. We have some enough material to work with, I think. We have here the vocal, we have all the elements, we have the melody. So what I'm going to do is basically just copy this several times, because this will be the basic structure, or at least I will have enough data so that I can start adding or removing stuff. So the first thing is to remove this. Okay, and now we have 2 minutes already, or close to 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is make some kind of break here. So let's just have the snare, the kick and the bass. And let's remove everything. Okay, I kind of like that, the vocal introducing here. Let's add the vocal again here, and let's bring these parts here. Let's maybe introduce the hi-hats again. The melody, I will not keep it now. A different part here, and we can do some kind of break here. Let's extend this. Okay, so now we have to find something here for this part. We can extend this here a little bit and start creating here, adding some pads or something like that. And we can actually also add here the vocals. And let's maybe put the vocals forward, or put it this way here. Okay, I like that. So now we can, or we should try to find something here for this area that we can do, for instance, some type of pad or something like that. So let's try to find something. Let's go to all, and let me first see which key are we working with. I don't remember, so B. Looks good. Now we need to pretty much make it on time. Or actually, I can leave it like that, so I can remove this was a wrong note. Let's go from the beginning, because we have the bass notes here. Maybe we can lower them a little bit. here of the channel rack. Let's lower the volume of this. Actually, it sounds nice. Let me add here this. And one thing that I need to fix is probably this. And let's put it here. Yeah. I hope that's it. Okay, so it cannot be so low. It must be this point here. And let's place this. Okay, so then when we move, okay, now we can start the going down part. So it's already 6 minutes, and now we can just start going back to the outro. And here I will just have the hi-hats, and then for the last part I will only have the normal hi-hats, and then for the end I will have just the normal bass. And I can actually remove this one here, and I can keep this one here, just like that. Let's extend a little bit. Okay, so now we have the full track here, like that. Let's see if this sounds nice. And then we can add some type of automation here to this part. Okay, so this doesn't sound, I have to increase maybe the volume because it doesn't sound very loud. Okay, I was planning on opening up. Let's see if opening up here the envelope sounds better. Let me see, 538. Sound is a little bit like that. So to not mess up this sound, let me open up a new channel, a new instrument. Let's cut this and copy here, and now we can mess around here with this patch, and maybe here. Okay, I like that. So this sounds nice, so it will stay. Let me put here in a different section. So what I'm going to do is do a separator here and call this, what is the name? Okay, let's go here. So 16th pump rise. Okay, like that. And since we already have some kind of pumping effect, I will not I will not put it here in the sound chain or side chain, but I will put it on the mix. Okay, let's go with some reverb. Okay, so now I really want a riser, so let's see if I have here something. Let's now listen to everything again from here. I feel it's still a little bit louder than the rest, the second part. But I like it. At least then we can worry about the mixing later. At least we have the foundation now, which sounds good. Okay guys, this is it. Part 2 of the Welcome to the Jungle techno track, and I think it's a really nice place right now. The composition sounds nice. The transition, the build up for the drop before the final drop also sounds nice. And I added a new arp to the drop, which also makes it a little bit more energetic and danceable, I guess. And yeah, in the next video I will take care about the transitions. I will try to make the transitions a little bit smoother, maybe adding some white noise, some effects to make it more interesting, not just have the plain transition without any support of sounds from one point to the next one. So if you are new here to the channel, subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below, and also consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at dailybeats.pt, or become a premium member and you will have access to the full video and also to project files and exclusive sample packs that I put just for the premium members. I think this is it. My name is Tiago Duarte, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.